सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. Today's subject card is not here, so I'll give a subject: uncertainty. Because whether the card will come to you or not is uncertain. Even though yesterday topic was selected and everything was ready, it is always uncertain. I'll share a few words on uncertainty and coping up with uncertainty. Stop creating this constant illusion of certainty. It is a deep, engraved quality of the matter to be certain. Please understand. Matter, material is always certain. So the material part of you always wants everything to be certain. So whenever the spirit, the spontaneity takes over, some change, some sudden unexpected movement, life brings in front of you due to so many reasons. See, now thousands of reasons can be said. Prana is busy with his phone, or that card is lost in my room, or that brahmacharani forgot to give it to Prana, or it is backside behind. It is not kept in a usual place for me to see. There can be 1,000 reasons. But nice thing you see, when there is uncertainty, when we have a freedom to handle directly, now we have one more extra message. This I can do tomorrow. So, when the spontaneity happens, now thousands of things I have proved by life. See, either I can be cursing and shouting at Prana, where is the card, where is going, what is going on, or I can just, all right, let us handle the uncertainty directly, situation directly. See, I have decided to handle the situation directly. So now we have one more new message for the day. Matter, by its very nature, uncertain. Consciousness, by its nature, spontaneity. When you are not able to handle spontaneity, the name you give for that spontaneous movement is uncertainty. The very word uncertainty carries a kind of a condemnation in it, disrespect in it. Understand? There may be 1,000 reasons, as I said. Now, card missing there, card missing there, or even card missing behind my back. It is lying just behind. But usually wherever it is kept, only I looked at that place. Just few inch long, wrong placement. Whenever you face uncertain moments, understand, life is in front of you. Life is in front of you. Consciousness is in front of you. Handle it. Play with it. Live it. There are some moments where you can change the matter and get rid of uncertainty. But there are some moments where you need to live. Our big confusion is between these two moments, where we have to handle uncertainty, where we have to change uncertainty. I tell you, be prepared to handle uncertainty 24 hours. That courage will take care where you need to change uncertainty. So the basic thing which you need is Decide to handle uncertainty consciously. Go through. That courage is enough. Whenever uncertainty comes, if you can change by outer change, you will start changing it. Matter is certain, consciousness is uncertain. When these two crisscrosses each other, the uncertainty which you experience becomes chaos. See, the matter which is certain cannot handle the conscious uncertainty. But when the consciousness forces itself on matter with uncertainty, that is what matter claims as chaos. Matter claims that as a chaos. Do not let your matter claim chaos in your life. Chaos is nothing but your declaration, nothing else. You need to understand. Chaos is nothing but your declaration. Don't declare emergency. Don't declare chaos. Whenever, whatever you call as chaos or emergency happens in your life, when the uncertainty happens in your life, declare spontaneity. Put a board on your table. Now I am behaving spontaneously. Keep away. Tell yourself, now I am playing the spontaneous game. Don't plan. Be ready. Tell the people around you, keep away, I am spontaneous. Tell yourself, be prepared, I am playing spontaneous game. Don't declare emergency. Don't declare uncertainty. Whenever life is appearing in front of you larger than life, just declare spontaneity. Declare, I am living. I am living. So like yesterday's M theory, we can go on creating different theories. So today, uncertainty. Actually the last punch, our disciples, yesterday our brahmacharinis were telling, the punchline of M theory is everything happens finally by the ultimate M, master. Of course, that M has to be added by disciple, not by me. That's why I waited, finally they added. Uncertainty. Uncertainty is life. Shiva, in his Shiva Sutras, I think 100th Sutra, 100th or 100, after 100, before 112, in those few sutras, he declares very beautifully, living in utter insecurity is enlightenment. Living in utter insecurity, your intuition, intelligence, everything is awakened by force, just by demand, it's awakened. So uncertainty is life. Live it. Nothing much to expand on uncertainty, because any expansion I give on uncertainty, you will try to make one more certainty about uncertainty. You should not be certain about uncertain. Uncertainty should be uncertain. So, just contemplate, do manana on these few words on uncertainty. You'll experience life, spontaneity, and enlightenment. Let you all achieve and radiate enlightenment. Live, achieve and radiate the eternal bliss. Nityananda. Thank you.